Welcome to our YouTube channel, guys. Today we are going to show you how a generator works. We have made a generator. This is here. This is a motor actually. We have just fixed a wheel here. This wheel is very rough, and when we make this tire move, this makes this wheel also move. This makes this wheel also move. Then when we make it move very fast, this wheel also moves. So by the motion of this wheel, electricity gets produced, and you can see this lamp will glow when we make this tire move. So let us first fix this lamp. So we have fixed this lamp. So when we make this tire move by just rolling the pedals, this lamp will glow. So this is rotating, you see this lamp is glowing. See, this is glowing. You can see there is no wire or something here. This isn't fake. So if you trust us, try this at home. So if you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and like our video, and it's goodbye for now.